In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Smartsheet health formula to automatically track task status and visualize project progress. First, open your Smartsheet and locate the sheet that contains a % complete column. This column will be used to determine the health status of each task. Next, add a new column and name it Health. Set the column type to text, number, so it can display status values like green, yellow or red. Now click into the first cell of the Health column and enter your health formula. A common setup is to display green when a task is fully complete, yellow when it's at least halfway complete, and red when it's below 50% complete. After entering the formula, press enter and verify that the correct health status appears based on the task's completion percentage. If you're using a column formula, right-click the cell and select Convert to Column Formula, so the formula automatically applies to every row in the sheet. As your team updates the % complete values, the health column will update automatically, giving you an instant view of project status without any manual work. For even better visibility, you can add conditional formatting rules to display green, yellow, and red with matching colors, making it easy to identify completed, in progress, and at-risk tasks at a glance. That's it. You successfully set up a Smartsheet health formula to track project progress automatically. Thanks for watching.